Hello. In this video, I will show you how to create a Google Drive folder to share. Now, it's a very easy process. So firstly, open the Google Chrome. Then just simply go to the Drive option. So click on this option and go to Drives. Now in Drive, firstly, just simply create a folder. So click on this new option right over here and choose New Folder. Then just simply name your folder and then click on Create. Now, once the folder is created, just simply right click on it and then you will find the option of share, or if you just simply hover over it, you will find this plus option right over here. You can access the share option right over here as well. If you click on the three dots over here, you will again have the share option, and finally you will have the share option right over here too. So just simply choose any of the options. Now all you have to do is just simply add the person over here who you want to share the file with. So write their email address over here and send them the email. But before that, make sure to change the restriction over here. So click on the restricted option over here and choose anyone with the link, and in the view section, depending on the rule that you want to set on the other person, change it. So if you want them to be an editor, you can obviously do that, and then just simply send them this link over here by clicking on the copy link option, and then just simply send them that link. And now after sending the link, you will find a small person icon have appeared in front of the folder. That means the folder have become a shared folder. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like subscribe to our channel and take care.